Hello, friends. I am Dr. Vivek Jain from Cerebellum Academy, and with me is Dr. Angel Matthew, who has managed to score 191 in the FMG exam. Congratulations, Dr. Angel Matthew, to you and your family.
Thank you, sir.
So, were you expecting I'll pass easily?
No, sir. Like, exam was a mix of questions. There were one-liners, there were really long questions. So it was kind of hard to transition in between the exam itself, like different variety of questions. But we had done everything in Cerebellum. So it was not the first time. It felt more like I'm doing a GT in Cerebellum. And I had done so many GTs, so many examinations in Cerebellum. It didn't feel that much like a different exam. It just felt like it's something familiar I have done before, but in another place. That's it.
Wow, that is really, really. I should thank you for putting words which even I cannot say so explicitly and clearly. Wow, great, great, great. Now, Dr. Angel, you are from which college or university?
So I'm from Tbilisi State Medical University, Georgia.
Okay, and your college has given super result this time. I have taken
Yes.
so many interviews. Wow, great, great, great. And you are currently placed, where are you placed in the country currently?
I'm in Kerala, Manarkad in Kerala.
Wow, great. Now let's try to guide students and see that getting 191 is easy, but it is not so easy. You will have to put your blood and sweat into it. So,
Yes, sir.
were you able to attend Mission Live classes which go on extensively for 6 to 8 hours daily?
Yes, sir. I there were some days where I couldn't attend the classes, but
Hmm.
I would later go back to those classes and watch it, but not at 2x speed. I would watch it at 1.5x.
Oh.
One mistake many people do is they think they can watch the whole thing like in a faster pace, but they
Hmm.
don't get it. Like first they'll initially watch the whole thing at 2x, but it won't sit in their mind. So maximum you should watch it at for the first time at 1.5x. There
Hmm.
might be options for 1.75 or 2x, and you might think, yeah, it will sit in my brain and all. But to be honest, 1.5 is the best if you're watching for the first time. Later, maybe you can listen to it at 2x or whatever speed you prefer. But first time when you listen, it's best is to sit with the teacher live, like discussing, talking. That was really helpful because even when I felt bored, the teachers would crack some jokes or they would tell
Hmm.
about their life, their preparations. And that
Hmm.
helped me a lot to sit for the live class for it didn't feel like 6 to 12 hours. It felt more of like I'm spending time with my teacher, I'm learning with them. And if they can put that much effort for us, of course, we can also sit with them instead.
Wow, great. And I'm presuming now, based on what you are telling me, that live ENDs in Lab 1 and Lab 2 you must have attended.
Yes, sir. I attended all the NDs. I attended all the late night PYQs, and
Oh.
it helped me a lot. Like doing those questions helped me to identify certain words and certain, like quick liners. And in the exam also, I could identify certain questions based on those questions, which I solved in Cerebellum. Not only the late night PYQs, even the question bank, I tried to solve some of them.
Hmm.
And that
Okay.
was also really helpful. There were questions from the question bank as well, which came exactly dicto like that in the exam.
Okay. And what about grand test, mock test? Were you able to utilize them?
So initially, my marks in grand test was little low. Mock
Okay.
test was little low. I was a
Hmm.
little bit sad, but then all my professors motivated me, including you, sir. You all told us that it doesn't matter. Marks is not what matters. The consistent effort we put is what matter. So I blindly trusted you guys. I just kept revising, went back to my notes, found out where I was going wrong, and slowly, but gradually, but my marks started increasing. It didn't increase that much, but it did increase by tens and twenties. And from the GT, I got like a way better result in my real exam because of
Wow.
all the mistakes I made. The more the mistakes I made, the more I made it right in the final exam.
Wow, that's so good to hear. And I want to understand one thing. If I'm a student in a college sitting in, let's say, Russia or Kyrgyzstan right now, should I wait for final year to start preparing or should I start right now because I'm having cerebellum in my mobile?
Sir, one mistake I made was I didn't start preparing. I waited till the last moment thinking I have a lot
Hmm.
of time, I have a lot of time. The thing is, we don't really have a lot of time. We just keep procrastinating. When
Hmm.
there are opportunities like Cerebellum is available online and it is live as well, it's best to start whenever you can. Like, do not
Hmm.
delay it. Even if you're in your fourth year or fifth year, sixth year internship year, it's best to start then because you can start building your base instead
Hmm.
of running for the just the last minute things. If you start preparing in your fourth year, fifth year, sixth year, the thing is you can revise more number of times. And the more
Hmm.
number of times you revise, the better it sits in your head. Because if you start preparing in the last moment, thing that happens is you might be able to revise 2 or 3 times. And sometimes one word might just change. Like there are people who scored 149. It might be one word or one question that stood between them and the pass mark. So it's always better to start as early as possible and revise as many number of times as possible.
Okay, wow, that's great. Friends, before the interview actually was being recorded, now I was having a chat with Dr. Angel Matthew, and I came to know of one very interesting thing. I would like her to elaborate on that now, that she was also working part-time while she was preparing for the FMG exam. This is something very unique, but there are thousands of students who are working also and preparing also. How did you manage both together?
So morning I used to go, I do part-time tutoring for students. So morning I used to go there and I used to teach students, and I used to come back home around 1, 2 p.m. after the classes, and I had to prepare notes for them as well. For
Hmm.
me, notes were already prepared by Cerebellum. Everything was already done by Cerebellum. So I didn't have to do the work. The only work I had to do was listen to my teachers, blindly just trust them. Like they trust me, I trusted them. Go through all the PYQs, do as many questions as possible, listen to the mission classes, again, listen to the lab 2, lab 3. So I myself, to be honest, I was spoon fed by Cerebellum. And without Cerebellum, I'm sure I won't be able to do it. You
But
guys actually did all the effort for me.
thank you so much. But to be very honest, Dr. Angel, I must tell you one thing. I am able to gauge that you were only able to utilize 50% of the time in the day for preparation towards FMG, yet
Yes.
you managed to score 191. So I'm wondering, suppose you had got 100% time, you would have been nearing 291, it seems.
Maybe, sir, but I'm really happy. Like, for the amount of effort I put and you guys put for me, I am really happy with the result.
Wow, this is so cool. You are the first generation of doctors in your family, or you have a background also of doctors?
No, sir, I'm the first doctor in my family. In my mother's side and my father's side, I'm the first doctor.
Wow, welcome to the club. I am also in the same club.
That's nice,
Wow,
sir.
great, great, great. So where will we get to meet Dr. Angel Matthew? Kerala or Cerebellum, Delhi?
Cerebellum, sir, I'm coming to Delhi for sure.
Wow,
I would
great.
definitely want to meet all of my tutors. You guys were really helpful. Like every single word that you guys said, it helped me a lot.
Wow. So on this note, we'll be wrapping up the interview. But before I leave, I must again congratulate you, your parents, your family from whole team Cerebellum. You guys are actually what we call as the brand ambassadors of Cerebellum. This is what we wanted to make an institute for the students by the teachers. You are more important. So hats off to you guys.
Thank you so much, sir. You guys were like our friends. You guys were there throughout the whole journey. Without you guys, it would not be possible. And I would like to thank every single person in Cerebellum for being with us, helping us. Even the tech team, like they send the PDFs, like every single person. Thank you so much.
Wow. Thank you so much. Take on, what should I say? Enjoy this time. Have a lot of party. Keep on working hard, and many more milestones are yet to be achieved, yet to come.
Yes.
Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you so much, sir. Bye.
Bye.